everyone, welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you are new. Due to an overwhelming demand of these lovely 12 people, today I'm going to be throwing it back to 2014. So what are we making?
Carbonara.
Carbonara! That's right. We're making Jin's famous praised Jin-nim carbonara. Let's get it. First up on our ingredients list, we of course have our noodles. Next up is our heavy whipping cream and milk. We're going to use those together. Don't forget your onion. Also some fresh garlic. Moving on to the bacon, I got a natural, uncured, and unseasoned one. Of course, some pepper. And finally, from Jin's words, if you are bored, you can throw in some mushrooms and eggs, but today, since we're not that bored, we're just gonna do the mushrooms. Now, to finally start, we are going to prep our ingredients. Go ahead and grab a large pot for your pasta, fill that up with some water, as you can see here, and then we're gonna turn the stove on and bring that to a boil. It's now time to wash our ingredients and make sure they are squeaky clean. I have the onion, mushrooms, and some garlic in here. We're just gonna rinse that all around and get it prepped for the cutting board. Ready, set, and slice. Looks pretty good. I'm so behind. The water already started boiling and I'm still peeling garlic. That took a while. Go ahead and chop your garlic and mushrooms. Lastly, cut your bacon into bite-sized pieces. So, now after an hour worth of cutting your ingredients, we can finally move on to the cream. Jin said that if you can't get fresh cream, you should whip it for 5 minutes and it'll be more fresh. So, let's do that. Now we whip. Oh, the time. Please keep in mind, this is my first time cooking something this extravagant, so I hope it comes out good. My arm is already killing me. So after your 5 minutes of whisking your cream, you are going to want to add a cup of milk so that it is a 1-to-1 ratio. Ooh, I seriously just had 1 cup of milk left. Well, that was perfect. Now that all of our ingredients are finally prepped after half a day, we can finally, well actually I'm gonna turn this back on because I was taking so long that I had to lower it. Anyways, we can finally get to cooking, yay! No one ever warned me. No one told me this would happen. Oh my god. So I think the noodles are done. I'm just gonna test it. Ow, that's hot. I don't recommend this. but they say this is how you do it. It stuck, but it went behind the stove, so that's okay. So now that the noodles are done, we're just gonna drain them while our milk and cream 1-to-1 ratio is waiting to boil with the rest of our ingredients. Whew. Who needs a sauna when you have pasta?
Hey, stop it!
Time for the taste test. Okay, if I can get a good piece. Okay, start over. Time for the taste test. I think I actually did pretty good. Thank you guys so much for watching this video and cooking with me, and thank you to Jin for his wonderful carbonara praise Jin-nim recipe. I hope I made you proud. Thank you guys again, and please like and subscribe to see more videos, and I'll see you next time. Bye! Mom, do you think I made Jin proud?
I think you did. It was tasty.
Aprons are just like cooking halter tops.